The Fox and the Pot. Bob is a little orange fox. He likes to hop on a big log. He has a red dot on his nose. Bob is very fast. One day, Bob saw a hot pot. The pot was on a cot. "Is it hot?" asked Bob. He looked at the top of the pot. Bob hit the pot with a rod. The pot did not pop. It did not move at all. Bob sat on a box to think. Suddenly, a frog jumped out. The frog had a mop. He began to mop the fog. Bob was shocked to see a frog. "Stop!" cried Bob the fox. "Do not mop the fog." The frog did not stop. He did a big flop on the log. The frog lost his sock in the pot. It was a soft sock. Bob helped him look. They found a lock and a rock. "Is this your sock?" asked Bob. He held up a long dog toy. The frog said, "No, that is for my dog, Tom." Tom the dog came to the pond. He had a lot of spots. Tom liked to trot in the soft mud. He was a good dog. Tom found the sock in the moss. It was not lost. The frog was glad. He put the sock on his foot. The sun was hot on the lot. Bob felt hot too. "Let us go to the pond," said Bob. They all ran to the dock. They saw a moth on a leaf. The moth was soft and gray. It flew over a pond lily. Bob tried to catch it. "Look at the clock," said Tom. It was time for a nap. They found a spot in the soft grass. Bob lay on his back. The frog sat on the log. Tom the dog lay by the box. They were all very calm. The wind blew the fog away. The pond was still. Bob closed his eyes. He dreamed of a big gold pot. It was a fun day for Bob. He liked his friends a lot. They all fell asleep under the hot sun.